Political science is the study of government and politics at all levels, including local, state, national, and international. Its aim is to gain a better understanding of the institutions, practices, and relationships that shape public life and promote good citizenship. The discipline is divided into various subfields, one of which is political theory. This area of study examines the moral foundations of political institutions and associations, drawing on ancient and contemporary writings by philosophers and scholars. Political theorists also analyze how political systems work in practice, challenging prevailing beliefs and seeking to enhance political thought and action. PUL-S 201, Introduction to Political Theory, provides an overview of the field, while advanced courses delve deeper into specific concepts and topics. Comparative politics is a multifaceted discipline with varying objectives and methodologies. Some researchers aim to evaluate political systems based on their ability to uphold specific values like order, equality, freedom, or economic prosperity. Others seek to understand the factors that contribute to the development of different political institutions across societies. Additionally, some scholars use comparative politics to identify general patterns and theories that explain political behavior and its variations. Courses in comparative politics fall into two categories: those that compare a specific set of problems or institutions across different countries, and those that provide in-depth analysis of political institutions and processes within a particular country or region. For students interested in the field, PUL-S 204, Introduction to Comparative Politics, offers a comprehensive introduction that combines both approaches. It includes comparative discussions of various issues, processes, and institutions across different political settings, as well as detailed lectures and readings on major countries in the contemporary world. International relations involve studying the interactions between states and non-state actors, such as the United Nations and multinational corporations. The field encompasses a range of behaviors and methods of analysis, including the study of international conflicts and war, as well as the prevention of such conflicts through the role of international law and organizations. With increasing interdependence, scholars are also examining international economic activity, such as trade, development, and finance. Additionally, the field explores how states make foreign policy decisions, such as national security policy, nuclear deterrence, arms control, and defense spending. PUL-S 203, International Relations, serves as an introduction to the field and provides a foundation for higher-level courses, including American foreign policy, global environmental politics, international political economy, and international conflict, among others, offered at the 300 and 400 levels. The study of American government and politics seeks to understand political practices in the United States. Students can take courses on various topics, including the American presidency, U.S. Congress, courts, media's political role, race and ethnicity politics, constitutional law, policy formation, state politics, and American political thought. Questions that interest students include the origins and evaluation of American political institutions, ideas, and practices, and how they compare to those of other societies. The field also explores ways to improve American politics. PUL-S 202, Introduction to American Politics, is recommended before taking other courses in American politics. Students can gain first-hand experience with the American political system by participating in academic internships in Washington, D.C., Olympia, or Seattle. Political methodology is a subfield of political science that deals with the philosophical foundations of political science, empirical research design and analysis, and practical field research experience. Courses in this field explore philosophical questions related to the possibility of a science of politics, the similarities and differences between political science and other social sciences, different modes of explanation, and the validity of knowledge claims. They also examine how to formulate experimental and non-experimental research designs to make causal inferences about political behavior and processes, and they explore how to use statistics, mathematics, and computers to analyze political data generated by such research designs. In addition, students are provided with the opportunity to conduct individual and group research projects through seminars. The political methodology faculty has expertise in diverse topics such as mass media, feminist theory, language politics, political economy, rational choice theory, and public policy. Which subfield of political science are you most interested in and why? How do you think a better understanding of political science can help us address real-world challenges and improve our societies? Comment below and let us know how you plan to spread the love for science. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to the Science Summit to keep learning and growing together.